Hello and welcome back to My Cramped Kitchen, which on this episode isn't really what it usually is. I'm not going to be cooking. In fact, I'm going to be spending a lot of time just eating. You see, earlier this week, the higher-ups at Food Tribe sent me a message saying, Jesse, could you go and eat the 80-piece bucket of popcorn chicken from KFC? I said, why not? So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go get in my car, drive to KFC, because it's across the other side of town, buy the bucket of chicken, bring it back to my flat, and then you're going to watch me eat it, because that's what constitutes as entertainment on the internet these days. Anyway, let's go hop in the car and go buy some chicken. So we've just picked up the KFC the 80-piece bucket. We just picked it up. I don't know if you can see it. There it is on the passenger seat of my car. It's all big and chickeny. And yeah, we'll head back to my flat and start eating it. And we're back in my flat, and here we have the bucket itself. It's sort of nearly head-sized, and it's full of popcorn chicken. And now I'm gonna eat it. I've got a camera set up over there so we can time-lapse the entire thing, and you can take joy in watching me consume 80 pieces of chicken. So I'm one episode of Always Sunny into the bucket. This is how it looks. So we're sort of, I don't know, let's turn this around, hang on. So yeah, one episode of Always Sunny in, and like that's oh dear, that's the current progress. We've got quite a lot of gravy gone. That's the general height of the bucket. That's how much remains. I think that's like halfway. I think we can call that halfway. I don't know. Yeah. Who knows? It's surprisingly moreish. I have popcorn chicken every now and then, like a little treat if I'm on the road and need something to eat, but I'm beginning to think that eating 80 of them was a bad idea. Tastes nice though. It's a good tasting bad idea. Back on with the show. This is the last piece of popcorn chicken, no word of a lie. There's your empty bucket. Look at that. And I'm struggling to remember why I did this now. I feel full, exceptionally greasy. I can taste only one thing, which is a blend of herbs and spices. It's like being drunk, but not a nice drunk. I just feel, I feel terrible. I feel absolutely terrible, but there we have it. This was a dumb idea.